Welcome to today's Eagle blogging video, which is about vibe coding for marketers. What is vibe coding? It's an intent-driven way of coding with AI assistance. With intent means that you give it instructions and you get software back. Describe what you want instead of writing everything manually. It mixes natural language, logic, and experimentation. So this means that your prompt is natural language. The logic is what's included in your prompt, and experimentation means that you may not get what you want at the first pass. It's optimized for speed, for prototyping, and exploration. What does it mean for a marketer? So what's in it for me? You build tools without being a full-time developer. This may be or not new to you because there are some predecessors such as no-code and low-code previously. You move from idea to execution much faster. So this means that you may not need to be a technician or to have a long process before you have something usable. Reduce dependency on development teams and software as a service tools. Create leverage with minimal technical effort. So it is so minimal that you only need natural language to express your needs, and you'll have nice output. What can you do with vibe coding? You create landing pages in microsites quickly. You build automation scripts for marketing workflows. You develop low-cost substitutes for common software as a service tools. You create interactive stuff that drives lots of traffic and engagement, such as website tools, branded games, and so on. If you think this is too far-fetched, you'll be surprised to know that many advertising agencies now include game developers, include web developers on their staff, because they usually know that the medium is the advert. You can ship personal tools and proof of concepts fast. This is really priceless, and without breaking the bank, of course. You get superpowers. You don't need IT or a dedicated engineering team. This way, you can do a lot by yourself. You can say that it may not substitute you as a programmer, but it's sort of a co-pilot. So you stay in a creative and strategic flow. You get immediate feedback loops while building, and you get small bits of code which can unlock big outcomes. The immediate feedback loops mean that you can iterate fast on what you're already doing without waiting for your programmer to give you something back a week or two later. And when I say small bits of code, mean that with a simple script you can do wonders. Sometimes you may think that you need some huge code base of thousands of lines of code to be able to save some money, but you'd be surprised that sometimes 10 or 20 lines can save you hours out of your week. There are warnings and boundaries. Be cautious with public-facing or mission-critical products. This means that if you're doing a business, if you're building a business on this software, you may now have a warning about what AI is capable and what it's not. Security, privacy, and maintenance still apply. Avoid using AI as a substitute for real learning. Use vibe coding as an accelerator, not a crutch. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.